Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading your data from TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. TikTok allows you to download all of the data it has collected from your account. Everything from the videos you've uploaded to every person you've messaged will be logged. To get access to your data, launch TikTok and head over to your profile page. Now tap the Settings button from the top right of the screen. From the Settings page, open Privacy and Safety. Now select Personalization and Data. Here tap Download your data. You will have to request your downloadable file here. It can take a couple of days for the data to appear. You will need to check back to see or check your email for an email notification that your data is ready. Tap the Download Data tab to see the progress of your data request. When it's ready, it will be available to download here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.